Hi fam, welcome to my Sunday morning reset where I am prioritizing the things that will help me have a productive week, which include matcha, skincare, hair care, and the worst of all, tidying up my messy room. So let's get into it. Hey fam, we are going to be doing a Sunday reset today. I'm really excited for this because I love doing a Sunday reset. It really helps me structure my week, doing my hair, just taking time to do some self-care as well, matcha, because obviously. But right now we are going to do a face mask. I'm gonna go put it on right now and then we're gonna go make our matcha. Okay, it may look like it's already dark outside, but it's not. We're literally going to be getting some snow soon, and my computer is supposed to come today, so I'm praying that my computer comes before the snow hits. Don't I look pretty? Wow. Okay, I know I look crazy, but I am going to go make myself some matcha now. So let's go. Okay, it is a little bit later now and I am going to clean my room because my room is very messy, which is an understatement. So anyways, we are going to clean my room so I can have a productive week for my little Sunday reset. I already did my morning skincare, I have my matcha, and after I finish cleaning my room, I'm gonna have a good breakfast. And then honestly, I think I am all set for my Sunday reset. It is now time to take a shower and I'm so excited because my scalp is so itchy and I really want to itch it, but I'm not going to on camera. Anyways, I do already have a curly hair tutorial listed on my channel, so I definitely go recommend you watch that if you have curly hair and need an amazing curly hair routine to get very long-lasting results. But today I am going to wash my hair and just get some perfect Sunday reset energy for the rest of the week. Perfect hair, did an amazing face mask that will hopefully help some of the breakouts I've been having from my period. And yeah, let's take a shower. Hi fam, it is a couple hours later now and I have finished diffusing my hair, plus also broke the gel cast, and I would like to say that this might honestly be my best hair day ever. And I'm really excited for my week now because everything is just perfect. I got everything done on my to-do list, which I'm very, very, very proud and happy that I did. And it's just going to be an amazing start for my week. And if you guys are currently unsubscribed watching this, go check out my channel, subscribe, and join the fam because why not? Like, let's all become best friends. But if you guys are already subscribed, thank you guys so much, and let's continue to grow in 2026. Okay, but for real, go like, subscribe, comment, and go check out my socials. Okay, bye fam.